right, wrapping up this weekend, we have had the clouds, a little bit of rain, a trace amount officially recorded at the Kenner Airport today. Moving into tonight, it's still actually cloudy. We saw just a little bit of breakup of the clouds, but I do think we'll be mostly cloudy tonight and turning chilly. Tomorrow looks beautiful, maybe starting the day kind of gray and dreary, but eventually the sun comes out and it looks really pleasant. And we have a nice warming kind of trend this week. And our next rain system is set for Saturday. Just like yesterday we got the rain, looks like 1 week away from that on Saturday we will have another storm system moving in. Satellite radar showing the rain associated with what we're looking at now with the low pressure to our east. We still, though, as you can see, have some upper features here with some rain to the north of us and cloud cover all over southeast Louisiana. But if you look closely, as we're losing lighting here for the visible satellite, but you can see it's going to be breaking up a little bit. Our precision cast shows that low continuing to the east, clouds breaking up maybe by about midnight tonight. I think we'll still be mostly cloudy, at least in spots overnight. So 7 a.m. tomorrow. Some spots could already be sunny, but I think we may have that cloud cover for at least some of our locations. But either way, it looks like by noon we will be looking for sunny and pleasant conditions. Temperatures tomorrow likely mostly in the 60s. Also in the 60s right now, and we have certainly hung on to the clouds today. West winds pretty breezy up to about 15 to 20 miles per hour. Temperatures all over the place as of Sunday evening at almost 6 p.m. in the 60s, couple spots upper 50s, and then our winds strong, especially at the lakefront, and some higher gusts at Reserve and Homa and Gonzales, but not quite as windy as maybe it could be, and our winds will be coming down a bit heading into tomorrow night and Tuesday. Hour by hour this evening, we're dropping into the 50s late. If you're out by about 10 and 11, we'll be in the upper 50s. And I do have us scraping the upper 40s on the North Shore for tonight and early tomorrow. And then south of Lake Pontchartrain, you can look for lows around 50 or so. Mostly cloudy, a little bit of a breeze continuing tonight and actually through tomorrow. Northwest winds up to about 18 miles per hour. And we should see the bright sunshine coming out. Different feel from what we've seen over the weekend, and highs about 68 tomorrow. High pressure moves in and then shifts to the east. So our average or normal high for this point in the year is 71. We'll surpass that Tuesday and then get all the way to near 80 by Thursday and Friday, ahead of our next rain system moving in on Saturday. So talking about that one, first of all, it was looking like we may get a couple showers Thursday or Friday. If you've been keeping up with the forecast, doesn't look like we'll really see that anymore. It looks like Saturday should be our next big rain once again, and then our rain amounts maybe up to an inch or so. Now, this is almost a complete full week out, so this is kind of tentative, but it does look like we'll get some rain. It does look like we will have at least some severe risk, because this will be driven by a big, strong low swinging off to the north of us and really deepening. So this will extend a front south into our area. So I'm pausing it here Saturday morning, and you can see we'll be on the southern edge, so maybe the severe risk a bit farther to the north than our area, but we'll probably get in, I would say, looking just kind of taking a week out guess on some sort of severe risk. Then as we move through the day, this is 4 and 5 p.m. might get some rain. And then this model actually already has us dry by 10 p.m. and then dry into Sunday during the day and a little bit cooler as the line continues to the east and weakens a little bit. So our 7-day forecast includes our Saturday rain chance at 70%, maybe Friday a slight chance for a shower or two as well. But other than that, during the work week, it just looks absolutely glorious. Tuesday morning, we start chilly, 43 north and about 50 south. But then we start to warm up in the afternoon. Winds eventually shift to the east and then south, and we will be getting that warming spring-like kind of feel, a little more humid as well by Thursday and Friday. We'll keep our eye on that Saturday system for you, of course. We'll keep you updated as we get closer and we're able to nail down some more details, especially about timing and severe risk. Sunday looks drier. Hope you enjoy the beautiful spring weather we have going this week.